I'm a 10, so I pull in a Ken. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls.
Guys, welcome to my channel. It's Keeping Up with Kay. If you know my name stand for, now you know. Today's video, I'm gonna try to install this wig. Let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna just explain what I'm doing or attempting to do. So yeah, I got my cap on. I'm gonna just spray it down with my got-to-be spray. Then I'm gonna blow dry it to dry it. And while I'm waiting for the cap to really dry down, I'm gonna just go ahead and blow dry out my wig. So I got this wig from Original Queen Hair or OQ Hair. It's just a black wig, body wave, 13 by 4, 18 inches. So I got me something a little shorter just because, you know, I'm practicing. I don't know what I'm doing for real. But yeah, I usually get like 24 inches. Now that my cap is dried down, I'm going to just go cut the ear tabs and then pull it back and cut off as much cap as I can. I have like a small or I guess regular size forehead, so I just got to make sure I cut it as close to my hairline as possible, or, you know, the wig going to look too far down, if y'all know what I mean. I got this makeup from the beauty and supply store. I think it is by Ruby Kisses, but it's the like powder, and I think the cream one will work better. So yeah, I wasn't paying attention, and I think I want to try a darker shade too, just so it blends in with my skin a little bit better. But yeah, now I'm just gonna go in with my glue, just put little spots around the perimeter, and then I'm gonna smooth it out. I believe I put like 3 or so layers. And then this glue is Ghost Bond. Y'all, excuse my boyfriend playing on my damn wig head. But I got the wig on now. I just put little 3 slits so that I can lay it down piece by piece. I'm going to just make sure I push it down into my scalp, comb it in, make sure it's sticking nice and good. And I'm going to make sure I pull the wig further up. So I'm going to pull it like right before the cap, because I don't like when the cap is showing under. I feel like that make it look less natural. Y'all, I forgot to put makeup in the wig. I had to take it right back off and put it back on. But I'm going to leave this band on, and I'm going to do a deep side part. I need some black spray real quick, because I don't know if that's makeup or dye. But I think it's makeup, because I did get some bleach on a certain part that I shouldn't have. But yeah, I'll let this band sit for a minute, and I'm gonna try to just go through and style it while I wait. I'm going through and hot combing the wig down just so it looks nice and flat and shiny. I didn't do piece by piece because that's too much work for me to do. And I didn't really have that much time to be playing this day. feel like the wig is looking pretty decent. The only thing I didn't do, y'all, is pluck my wig. I just took it right out the pack and put it on. I thought it looked pretty plucked enough, but I guess it could have been plucked a little bit more. But here I'm just cutting off the lace with my razor. I think I prefer using this razor versus my scissors because they're just like too big and it ends up cutting too straight of a line, so it's kind of makes the lace stand out. But after I cut it down, I'm just gonna use some spray, some got to be spray, just to further melt the lace, and I'm gonna let that spray dry, then put on my lace band. That's what E. Kane told us to do, so I'm gonna follow her steps. Now I'm just gonna pull out my edges. I pulled out a little bit too much hair, and I needed to like pluck this some more so that they're not too thick. But I did go back and pluck at a later time and redo my edges. But after that, I'm gonna just cut it with my razor and then lay it down. I think I prefer using either some hair mousse or some some edge control to lay it down. The Eco Styler kind of lays it down pretty good, but I feel like using that kind of makes the lace lift faster because it's like a water-based product. So maybe just using some hairspray would be the best, but yeah, I don't use hairspray for real. Oh yeah, and then I like curled them because I got this little flat iron, and yeah. This is what I came up with. The side edges I could do with the top ones. I don't know, but looks pretty decent, y'all. I really feel like I did my big one on this one. This is my favorite set of edges. I'm just not good with edges, whether it's wig edges, whether it's my real edges. I'm just not good with that. But yeah, y'all, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.